Well, with the 2G auctions all over, the telecom operators are now moving to recover costs that have been incurred during the auctions. Bharti Airtel has hiked prepaid plans in Mumbai and Delhi by as much as 33%. Sunita Nagpal, who tracks the segment very closely, joins in with the details. Sunita.
Absolutely, you're right that they have hiked Delhi and Mumbai circle rates by 33%. Also, Delhi plan, gold plan, their call rates have been hiked by 33% to 2 paisa per second. Mumbai 106 plan voucher call rates have been hiked by 33%, which has taken it to 40 paisa per minute. So that's the kind of hike that we have seen. But this is the hike that both the managements and the analysts were expecting. If you remember, in last few days, managements of both Bharti as well as Vodafone has been saying that tariffs will continue going up because the costs have been going up for them. So they expect the tariffs to go up in near term. If you look at the analysts have been saying that next 3 years they're expecting 3 to 4 paisa improvement in tariffs as far as voice tariffs are concerned. But the only worry that analysts expect is that it might impact the traffic and the volumes might get hit because of the price as if the price elasticity comes into play. But if you look at the price hikes that they've taken over the last 12 years or the discounts that they discontinue have not impacted the volume growth. The volume growth has been 7%. So analysts are expecting that if the price hikes are done over a interval or in a different tranches, then it might not hit the consumers that much, and the impact on volumes may not be much. So improvement in tariffs as well as volume growth being strong, and the data growth that we've been seeing, which has been growing at a very strong growth quarter on quarter, will continue to do well for telecom sector despite the auction pricing being very high for spectrum. Analysts are very bullish on telecom stocks.